my cousin K24's Javi's house. We're gonna be installing the oh, there they are. We're gonna be installing the Invidia exhaust on his 2015 Si. I just had to grab these real quick because he doesn't have any. I think he has some, but he needs extra. So yeah, see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so I just got to my cousin's house. You can see he's already starting. He's cleaning it up. There's his Si. Let's go check it out. Jiffy!
That shit has so much fucking kaki.
This shit?
No,
oh, the car? What exhaust was it? The Invidia what? Q300?
What, your camera's in?
Yeah. I usually use my phone though. Yeah. It's just sick. You work today?
Yeah. Too much fast. That's already like 10. I'm gonna go on for a little bit.
Damn, on camera the Delso looks so clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it looks like you just washed it. You're still gonna give it to your dad?
The nigga fixed his yeah, the neighbor fixed
the Civic?
Yeah, he had it like detail or not? What the fuck? He did an oil change, the spark plugs, and then he gave him the tires, and then he like I don't know, he did a bunch of shit. Oh, and then he switched the fenders.
Alright, we're about to do a quick little before video for you guys. Oh, nothing. I'm just talking to the camera. Here's a quick little before video, how it sounds. You can tell it's not that loud. I think it's a stock exhaust. I think he just did a resonator delete. That's pretty much it. Yeah, we're about to put on the Invidia. See how it sounds. Alright, there's the before. We'll get you guys the after in a bit. This is what sucks about living in the dirt, bro. He literally just washed it and he just ran over all this mud.
Dang, good thing it's sunny out today.
I know. I'm sweating and it's not even hot. The car's on jacks right now. Now we gotta start over. Alright guys, so Lalo jacked up the car on the left side and it's supposed to be on the right. Lalo. He's hiding inside, you can't see him, but he's somewhere inside right now. So yeah, we gotta redo this shit, put it on the right. The fuck? Let's go beat this dude's meat. The car crushed my legs, guys. Alright guys, so we got the stock exhaust off. It's this one right here. That's the stock one. Here's the Invidia Q300. We're about to install it. We just got to put the gaskets on real quick. And yeah, then you guys can hear how it sounds. For those of you looking to buy one, check it out. There's the old gasket and the new gasket. Look at that big ass difference. This shit feels like bread. The old one?
She got crisped up.
Like some pan tostado.
Oh shit, we gotta see what with curves.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see how that's a little curve?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's gonna go like this because this one's the one that goes straight.
Oh yeah. So that's the bottom.
Just like that. Let's go like that.
Alright guys, we put the shit on backwards. This part is supposed to that part's supposed to go in the front.
This one goes
Wait.
360.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Fucking Lalo put that shit on backwards. Farts?
Oh shit.
I wonder if you could hear the fart on the camera.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That shit looks good.
Huh?
That tip looks good. Alright. Quick little sound clip. You can already tell the difference. That's just great. Yeah. Damn. That shit threw my head back. Yeah. in the van, huh? Mm-hmm. Just needs to focus. There it is.
Take a pic or a video, either way.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We finished up the exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. This is the Invidia Q300 for the 2015 Si. Woo! Alright guys, see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let us know what you think. I'm going to leave my cousin's Instagram in the description down below. Make sure you follow him to keep up with the build. Check it out. And as always, keep showing love and support, guys. See you guys next time.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby